Yes, sugat lang nadunggan atong mga kaigsunan kabatanunan gikan sa Bagong Taas, Valencia, Yesheron, and by the way, it was such a very delightful song rendition. Thank you for that. And this time, ako imbitaron ng ilang song conductor. Talag sa kani may tabo sa Panimbaya sa Kabuntagon, mga kaigsunan nga makauban ako suod nga higala. Gikan pa sa college. JK, well, Jikoy, welcome. Thank you for bringing your group here.
Yes, happy Sabbath.
What's I feeling, Jikoy, nga ginatanaw kanila tanan while kakandak dito?
Speechless.
Anyway, I'm sure you have friends to greet. Unya na ito
Yes.
mga tanong asa mo ato. But please greet your friends.
Okay, I have a list of...
Taas-taas naman na.
Oh, mag-greet ko.
Okay, go.
Okay, sa'yo rami diri. No?
Yes, you
So,
can.
first, we would like to thank God sa blessing ngayong gihatag and for this opportunity. Next, we would like to thank the Airstrings for their positive response to be with us here, and also our sponsors, my parents, Mr. and Mrs. Tulog, Ma'am Daryl Pangka, Ma'am Chona Kilog, Ma'am Jocelyn Uwayan, Kuya Ralph Balmoseno, and those who are still coming. We would like to thank also Valencia Central Church for their support and prayers. I want to greet especially Pastor and Mrs. Campañero, Pastor and Mrs. Lagunday, Pastor Baang, Teacher Caudor, and parents of the Yesheron and Airstring members, and my co-missionaries at Valencia. So, good morning and happy Sabbath.
Well, Juki, bagutang padayon. Ato sa entertain natong caller, no? Caller? Hello? Good morning? Tiding. Good morning. Hi, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Hi, ma'am. Are you ready to answer the question now?
Yes.
Okay. What is the last book of the Bible?
Pinadayag.
Pinadayag or Revelation. There's only one way to find out. Ang ato na may balaan karon. Answer, please. Sakto, Jikoy?
Sakto ko ayo.
Sakto kay. Congratulations, Leia. We'll talk to you about how to claim your prize and thank you for calling. By the way, kung na ba kayo gusto i-greet ka, Jot? Wala na siguro. Excited na siya sa iyong prize. Thank you for calling. Jikoy, later, after this, magkanta pa man of 2 more songs. But asa man mo niya nga church?
We will be at Central Church sa Cagayan de Oro. So, we will have our
Morning, afternoon?
morning divine and in the afternoon.
Wow.
So, see you there.
Okay. So mga kapaglaom, kung nabitin mo silang kanta, it was such a very delightful song rendition. Mukanta pa sila and then ato pong atangan unya ang Airstrings because they are going to present their instrumentals o ato na siyang angay at again. For the meantime, sa laing bahin, atong hibalo ng Sayron ang mga tips ni Ms. Leila para mas mapalamo nato atong mga panglawas. This time on Health Bits.